guys, today's gonna be a bit murky in the video because my camera's not the greatest, but we're gonna do a 9-month cold start on this old 420, considering it hasn't started since December and it's now September. Actually, it'll be just about, no, I take that back, 10 months. 10 and a half roughly. So 10-month cold start on this. Forgot the parking brake was stiff like that. Well, I checked the oil, it's good. Have no idea what I got for gas. All I know is that it's supposed to have a portable tank, or we're supposed to have a portable tank of compressed air, because that guy's not supposed to be looking like that. So that's going to sound very angry for a little bit till it pulls fuel. And the good news is I don't have to crank on it. There we go. Cool. Let's get started for flood some bull out. There we go. Hopefully that battery light doesn't stay on. Yeah, it's going.